How to change delivery on DHL. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change your delivery on DHL. So changing your delivery on DHL is very simple. The first step is to log in into your DHL account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you would be brought to the page, your home page, where you can see some tabs which include home, ship, track, manage shipment. So just click on manage shipment. After that, in the box displayed, click on my shipment. This will take you to all of your shipments, including the one that you would like to change its delivery. All right, now on this page you cannot see any shipments because I have not shipped any package since I started using my DHL account. All right, that is why this page is empty. As for you, you would see all of your shipments here, so just go ahead and locate the one. You can use the filter option, which is located by the left side of the screen here, to search out the shipment. All right, or you can just select it if you can see it vividly. Then after selecting the shipment that you'd like to change the delivery, you'll be taken to the shipments page. Now on this page, you can now see the options to modify it. You can modify the delivery options such as the delivery date, the delivery location, or the pickup station. So you can choose a more convenient date. You can opt for a DHL service point for or an alternative address, and then you can also reschedule or cancel pickups. And then after making necessary changes, by the lower right corner of the screen, you will see the option save on the shipments page. Just click on it and those changes would be effected immediately. All right, and then if you encounter any issues while you are doing this, you can just reach out to DHL customer service by going to the top right corner of the screen and clicking on help and support, and you will be taken care of by the customer support. So that is it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.